So hello guys, today I will show you how to make use animated container in our Flutter project. So you can see the output will be display and okay, continue. Let's start. Create a new dot file, name is animated container, import material and then create stateful class, name is animated container. Return I will use a scaffold. In the scaffold app bar, title is text is animated container, center title is a true. Okay, then run the file in main.dart animated container, import this library and then run it. Type of animation the container. Okay, so first I will create a one variable is a boolean is select false. In the body I will use gesture detector. In the gesture detector on tap method set state. In the set state is select equal to null checkbar equal to is selected. In the child I will use center widget. In the center child is a animated container. In the animated container height and width is select 200 gem 100, height is select 100 gem 200. So animation will be displayed perfectly. Color is select question mark. This is a one type of condition. First is a blue color and then click again. Lime accent is a condition one type. Okay, then alignment is a alignment center and top center. Duration will be 2 seconds. And in the curve I'll use fast. Okay, fast linear to slow. In the child I'll use Flutter logo and the size is 80 and then run. The output will be display. You can show. I will click change a color and animation type container. So thank you for watching this video.